This is my daily box, and today I'm gonna try and fix the worst exhaust leak I've ever had. It's located right down there, right after the exhaust manifold. And although you might think, oh yeah, an exhaust leak, that must sound super cool and loud. I wish I had an exhaust leak right after the manifold. Let me tell you right now that you don't. While I set everything up here, let me just tell you why this is the worst spot to ever get an exhaust leak. Number one is the O2 sensors. Now, because the exhaust leak is so far up into the engine, right after the exhaust manifold, it results in improper O2 readings, meaning a loss of performance and terrible fuel economy. And you know, those reasons might seem a little boring, and I can totally agree with you on that, but get this. Because not only does it affect the O2 sensors, but because the gas is coming up right up here, it goes directly right into my intake, resulting in even worse performance and could possibly damage the inside of my engine. Oh yeah, and if you thought that wasn't bad enough, try turning on your car 10 minutes before you leave to go somewhere because it's negative 20 degrees Celsius outside, and then realize, oh wait, I can't, because every time I turn the fan on, it blows CO2 and carbon monoxide into the cabin and suffocates me. Hence why I'm finally here in the middle of February trying to replace my exhaust. Let's just hope things go a little smoothly. Now, let me apologize in advance, because the next clips that you're about to see probably fast-tracked like half an hour into actually getting this exhaust off. And in the meantime, my father came to help, my brother came to help, and we actually were able to move the car indoors with heat, so it's a little bit of a different scenario. I also did a terrible job at getting good footage because, well, I was trying to get my exhaust off, so just, you know, view this video as purely entertainment. There. This is gonna be fun.
I like his hat.
Just making fun of you.
Alright, get in there, take the internet.
Yeah, come on, Andrew.
Sorry.
Come on. Good thing you have safety glasses that your favorite brother got you.
Funded by Nick?
Funded by me.
Oh, 16.
Nope. You're gonna have to manually do it.
I need a different wrench.
What do you mean?
It's a smaller one.
Was that 5/8? Daddy needs a 5/8 socket wrench.
No, like the smaller
The ratchet.
smaller ratchet size to fit into
The 5/8 ratchet.
I have the bigger, thicker
Is it
one.
5/8 or 3/8?
I don't know what the hell you're asking for.
Alright.
Come on.
A
The
medium
smaller
ratchet.
one of these. Yeah.
Whatever the medium size is.
Yeah, there's none in this kit. Look bigger.
Where did it go? No, my own
Right
kit
here.
is upstairs.
3/8.
They said that. Daddy needs a 5/8 socket wrench. 5/8. Is it moving?
I'm moving.
It is the bolt. Oops. What was that?
I don't know. I got the WDs on there, and I'm doing a little tight and loosen action right here. Oh, it's working!
Well, the bolt came off. Interesting.
It was moving. It was actually so close.
Come on, Andrew. Use your muscles. Go to the gym every day. And we'll break a bolt.
I just did.
Yeah, but that's because after you lubed it up.
Oh, yeah, good angle there. No way I'm getting that.
Oh, yay.
No!
Oh, there it goes. Okay, now you can get it off. Good job, Andrew.
Ooh!
Hmm.
Is there something on this side I gotta take
I
it?
don't know.
Oh,
The nub?
but yeah.
Cut the nub. Cut the bolt. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Progress in this economy. So I pried it with my hands. I didn't think I could pry metal with my hands. I'm just that strong.
Really? Also that gay.
Those are off. I don't think you should cut this because it might cut the actual exhaust.
So don't cut it. Yeah, it's cutting something with a torch, I think.
See that?
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Lube. Oh, 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 oh. Would it be easier to slide that
That's what I'm saying.
sleeve, onto the part that you're trying to get off that way instead?
Oh, maybe.
Right? Because you're running out of room towards the muffler.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Is that working?
Oh.
Wow, did I say something smart?
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I am just a genius.
Wow, look at that.
Say thank you, Nick.
Thank you, Nick.
This new muffler is a lot smaller than that muffler. It's a lot more round. Just turning it on to see what it sounds like now.
There she is. Oh! Say goodbye to the old exhaust. Now, because you guys kind of missed out on yesterday, so first of all, buffed out my headlights. They look a lot better now. If we go down here, we got the new exhaust. You can barely tell from here, but we'll make our way under. So first up, we fixed it up here. This is the front of the exhaust and it's directly connected to the manifold. Got new bolts in there, got a new nice solid face, new gasket, etc. Here's another view of the new bolts we got in there. These are the new rubber things. This is the new cat. Yeah, this is up until where it got fixed. This rusted pipe connector, that's the original one. This hose clamp is the original one. The threads actually worked really well. So it's not a very old one. It's a kind of new one. Obviously that's a new one. And yeah, then it goes up to the rest. Those bolts up there were probably the worst to do. One of them stripped really badly and we had to take it out with locking pliers. So that was awful. These we had to bend one in because it wasn't the exact size. So that's something good to note. The O2 sensor needed a ton of heat and a ton of WD-40 to get out, and you have to twist the wire counterclockwise before screwing it in clockwise because it's all connected, so the wire gets twisted up. As you can see, it's still a little bit twisted up here, but all in all, it was like a 3-hour job with my dad and I, and very happy with the results. Now, I didn't get a good sound test beforehand. I will show you what it sounds like on the inside now. It's neutral. Very quiet. Roll off the ramps real quick. And yeah, from the inside, if I rev all the way up to 4,000, very hard to tell. It still sounds sporty, but it's quiet. And I guess this is the audio from the outside. So yeah, not too bad at all. Sounds pretty good. And now it's quieter, and now I can breathe when I drive, so yeah, sorry for not showing the whole thing, but that's YouTube for you. I gotta hire a camera guy. If anyone wants to be my camera guy, let me know. See ya.